How many times have we been distracted in the chanting of our Japa, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra?
Do we experience our minds wandering off, we dozing off, and doing so many other different kinds of activities while chanting our Japa?
Is it possible for us to experience that when we are chanting the holy names of Krishna, that Krishna is dancing on our tongues, just like he danced on the hoods of Kalia?
And just like Krishna kicked out all the poison from Kaliya and he removed all of his negativities, Krishna is actually, when he is dancing on our tongue, when we are saying Hare Krishna, he's dancing on our tongue, and Krishna will be able to take off all our negativities and transform our negative emotions into pure spiritual positive emotion.
Srila Prabhupada says that 99% of our spiritual advancement in Krishna consciousness depends on our chanting.
Please join us for this Japa workshop so we can all learn from each other and we can all enhance our Japa together.
We eagerly look forward to seeing you in this Japa mantra meditation sessions.
Hare Krishna.
Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Radha Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare.